Welcome to the Holiday Baking Showdown. I'm your host, Ava. Two teams will battle it out to create the most delicious cookies. Whoever reigns supreme will take home the title of Winter Holiday Bake-Off Champ. Everything you've done to prepare for this competition will pay off right now.
Sugar, flour, butter, check. Do you miss anything from my grandmother's recipe?
Let me see. Nope. It looks perfect. We'll follow this step by step tomorrow and it will be great.
Yeah, let's get a good night's sleep so we're ready to go.
Smile, Zoe. We got a post for our fans. Future baking champs. Hashtag ready for this. We're gonna be famous. Should we make sure everything's ready to go in the kitchen?
Nah, we'll wing it. It's cookies. How hard can it be, right? Let's get some hot cocoa. Everything you've done to prepare for this competition will pay off right now. You've got 2 hours. Ready, set, bake.
This is gonna be so much fun!
Totally. Oops, I guess I need to grab another one of those.
I'm not sure. I forgot the recipe.
Okay, first we need to measure the dry ingredients carefully.
You got this. I'll go preheat the oven and start making the frosting. Baker, 30 minutes left. How's it going, Whiskey Wonderland?
We'll be fine. I think we're crushing it. Yeah, I think the recipe said 5 eggs. Maybe 6? Let's just add a few more in for good luck.
6 eggs for cookies? Looks like they're winging it. How are ours looking?
They're looking perfect, bro. They just need to cool and then we'll frost them.
Okay.
They just pulled theirs out of the oven. At least we're having fun. Yeah, girl.
5 minutes left. Wrap it up, bakers.
We're done. Let's get our plate set up. Presentation points are important.
These look great. I'm feeling good. I'm glad we used Habit 3 and spent more time preparing. It really paid off.
Uh-oh, these look awful. Do you know how to make frosting? No, let's just use sprinkles. Lots of sprinkles.
Time's up. Bring your cookies forward. First up, Whisking Wonderland. Yikes, did you follow the recipe?
Recipe, we guessed a little bit.
That's clear. These cookies are a mess.
But we had a lot of fun.
Fun is good, but all play and no work is a problem, especially in a competition. As you can see, these cookies are a problem. Now, Baker Bros, let's try yours. These are beautiful. Delicious too. Perfectly baked and beautifully frosted.
It's my grandmother's recipe. She'll be so proud. We prepped last night, stayed focused, and followed the recipe step by step.
And it definitely paid off. The winners are clearly Baker Bros.
Oh man, congrats, bros.
You definitely deserved it. We crumbled under the pressure. Thank you. We might have noticed how as much fun as you two, but now that this is over, we're gonna celebrate. Remember, bakers, habit 3, put first things first. When you prioritize what matters, the results are sweet.
Happy holidays!